I rise today to move a resolution for seeking the establishment of a central university at Khumulwng, the headquarters of TDADC, for the educational upliftment of indigenous communities in TDADC area, in the area of higher education, for the indigenous people living in ADC areas in particular, and people of our state in general. There is not a single such university established in Tiprasa areas in Tripura till date. There is a need to establish a central university at Khumulwng dedicated to addressing the academic needs and research aspirations of our Tripura population. Establishing a university will have numerous advantages, including number one, increased access to higher education. A new university can provide more opportunities for students to pursue higher education, especially in underserved areas. Number two, economic growth. Universities can attract business, talent, and investment, stimulating local economies. Number three, cultural enrichment. Universities can promote cultural understanding, diversity, and exchange. Number four, research and innovation. Universities can drive research, innovation, and entrepreneurship, leading to new technologies and solutions. Number five, community development. Universities can engage with local communities, addressing social issues and promoting development. Number six, knowledge creation. University can generate new knowledge, advancing various needs and driving growth. Number seven, skilled workforce. University can produce skilled graduates, meeting industry needs and driving growth. Number eight, global connection. University can establish international partnership, enhancing global understanding and collaboration. Number nine, social mobility. University can empower individuals, fostering social mobility and equality. Number 10, regional development. University can contribute to regional development, addressing unique challenges and opportunities. In the context of the proposed central university at Khumulwng, TDADC headquarters, it can especially address the educational needs of the indigenous people of Tripura and preserve and promote Tripura's culture, tradition, and knowledge. Foster research on Tripura issues and concerns, empower Tripura youths and communities, contribute to the growth and development of Tripura. These institutions will provide access to quality education, bridging the gap in educational opportunities for Tripura students. Number two, foster research-oriented programs that celebrate and preserve the rich cultural heritage, customary practices, and traditions of our Tibrasa communities. Number 3, create a hub for interdisciplinary studies, promoting a deeper understanding of Tibrasa issues and concerns. Number 4, attract scholars and researchers from across the country, enriching our academic landscape. Number 5, this institution will delve into the socio-economic aspect, get set, get life, ensuring a holistic approach to development. Contribute to the policy making informed by rigorous research and data-driven insight. Empower the youth, equipping them with knowledge, skill, and confidence to lead and contribute to our state goals. I want to speak something in Khumulwng. Salam semua. Sini di Siwa. Babu Sagora till date. Unu university ko. Dan karena itu present যে সরকার চলে যাব বরং নরেন্দ্র মোদী নেতৃত্বে কেন্দ্র সরকার চলে যাব চীনার বরং চিফ মিনিস্টার মানিক সাহার নেতৃত্বে চলে যাব বেড়াই ডিপ্রেশন খায়কনাय हमजानाय শ্রেষ্ঠ ত্রিপুরা শ্রমণ সংগ্রামকে এডিশন কিবিকুন শ্রেষ্ঠ ত্রিপুরা মেয়া convoyed for the upliftment, for the betterment of the indigenous students of Tripura. The Central University must be raised in the headquarters. Belai naku babo, komunitio Central University itu ye, kebang student do, di mana kerja kau ini, pun manja tak kerja. Orang Central University hanggai, kebangga berapa benefit naik, tanggung benefit naik, kau berapa tahu suatu meni nama orang university, tanggung tahu hasil kai berapa berapa tahu. Jadi, ujinya di university area ni kai berapa tahu kai orang belai benefit mana, orang di local business banyak kita ada bukan benefit mal pengusaha mereka perbuatan benefit kemana berapa cultural diversity enggak kamu di Bagwi university Central University kalau kemana nabo waktu di Bagwi umum Bagwi ani project tunggu ani bisa tunggu berteman sorga galai berdasarkan kayak mengenai anturi ponibanyo ang mansuko yang disorga concern minister PSRD Human Development the doctor mono semoro pasang ke pasukan ke samukri cinti berdasarkan itu jauh borong mansuko bedaro Central Hospital Central University kan ke galai mengenai ponibanyo I ask this esteemed August Assembly to unanimously pass a resolution putting this proposal and send it to the government of India at earliest. That's all. Thank you.